Hey viewers, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you can't see him, but it's Masood on this side, and I've got him on the phone because his audio is not working for the Zoom. So in case you guys are wondering who Masood is an immigration lawyer. He's based in Cambridge, where I live, and he specializes in immigration. And one of the things he is advising us on, so we can help you guys out there, and sorry, what I mean by you guys is in particular people from Hong Kong who want to apply for the BNO status, or you might have that already and you want to come over to England. So the reason why I've got Masood on is because he's a specialist in this area, right, Masood? Yeah, and wanted to find out, so I find out a little bit more. I don't know whether you know all the answers yet, because it depends on how much the government have released, or the immigration department have released, on what the immigration procedures are for BNO holders or people who are eligible to come over. But if you could introduce yourself a little bit more and tell people a bit about your background maybe, and also one of the questions I had, right, was it's a bit confusing because some people, is it a BNO passport, or is it a BNO visa? And you know, if they wanted some help, what's the process?
Okay. Hello to everybody who's online listening me, including Lesley. Right. My name is Masood Aslam. I'm an immigration solicitor in Cambridge, and I'm the principal solicitor as well in the firm. I'm accredited by the Law Society as well in immigration category. So anybody who want to check my profile, they can Google out Masood Aslam.
Oh, so Masood, just to let you guys know, Masood helped my sister-in-law. So my sister-in-law's from Dominican Republic. Helped my sister-in-law and my brother sort out my sister-in-law's spouse visa or settlement in the UK. So that's how we know each other.
Okay, well then. So that's why if you put my name Masood, M-A-S-O-O-D, my surname is Aslam, A-S-L-A-M, and you will find my profile by the UK Law Society in England, Wales. So I'm accredited by the Law Society as well, additionally. Apart from my qualification being a solicitor. Solicitor is what is used for the lawyers in UK, you see.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what position you use in Hong Kong. Like in US, we use attorney, and few countries use advocate, okay, for the lawyers. And here in UK, we use solicitor, just representing the word lawyer.
Yeah, so what I will do is I will drop in the description below, I will drop your details as well. Okay,
Thank you.
So that will help.
Right. That's fine. Let's start with this BNO category, right? So recently the Home Office have announced that, you know, we have a tension between Hong Kong have a tension, Chinese authorities have a tension with the UK government now due to human rights due in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
So now the UK government is reacting on that, and they're feeling for the people of Hong Kong who are suffering due to this new stringent UK government called in human law, you see, for the security reasons, right? So now, in retaliation, the Home Office have introduced a new category for those people who want to leave Hong Kong and they want to migrate and settle in the UK. Okay, just give me, I will take a minute for you guys to give you the background at the moment, that those people who have been registered with the British Embassy as a BNO, British National Overseas, right, from Hong Kong, they could only use this category. This category's name is Hong Kong BNO visa category, right? So it means that any person who was not registered by July 1997, when the UK handed over Hong Kong affairs to China, nobody can apply apart from that. So we're already talking about those people who have already been registered as a BNO, right? They could apply, and their children could apply as well. I'll come back in detail after that. So it means that anybody born after 1997 or anybody who have not been registered with the British Embassy as a BNO citizen, they would not be getting any benefit from this category. So Home Office roughly estimates there are still 2.9 million people in Hong Kong who have already been, nearly 3 million people who have been registered as a BNO. So really we are talking about 3 million people who could be benefiting from this new visa category. have been registered as a BNO, they can only apply for the British passport, right, as a BNO citizen. And the only benefit is that they can come to UK as a visitor and stay up to 6 months. And then they have to leave the country before. So they can, just like a visitor, they can come and go. They don't need a visa if they are traveling as a BNO citizen. And then the second benefit, there could be that if they're trapped in any country, they can get access to the British embassy to get any help from there, you see, because still UK government committed to look after people like BNO, you see. So, but now, so the Home Office realized that the UK government have realized that since this new security law, countries like China, people are not very much happy and they don't feel safe.
Yes. Yeah.
So to help these people out, the Home Office introduced a new visa category, which is called BNO Hong Kong visa category, right?
Yeah.
So this visa category, I keep repeating that this category is for only those people who have been registered as a BNO. Okay. So if you ask me what was the criteria for the BNO registration, so before 1997, anybody who was born in Hong Kong through family connection, they were able to register themselves as a BNO overseas citizen. Okay. So no, these days nobody can apply now to register again. This is closed now.
Right, I see. So
this is closed now. So it means that only 2.9 million people the Home Office have estimated they could be benefiting from this new visa category.
So it's only for people who've already registered for the BNO status. Yeah. So, okay.
But they don't need to have a British passport. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah. And sorry, Masood, so something that was a question that came up, and I didn't know the answer to this, is the BNO visa, is it a visa or a passport? What is it?
The new category is that the new category would be, it's called settlement visa, right? At the moment, the BNO just come as a visitor, okay?
So
and they could only stay up to 6 months.
So what I understand then, it's really a travel document. What do you think? Yeah, so it's not a passport, but it is.
It's
some
a
sort of
passport,
special.
just like a UK passport, okay? But if you see that they would mention in the passport, you are a British national overseas from Hong Kong, right? So if you present this travel document at the UK port, they will let you in as a visitor up to 6 months. This is what is happening at the moment now.
Yeah.
Okay. But there is no settlement category for people like BNO.
Okay.
So therefore, due to this ongoing tension between China and Hong Kong, and so as the UK government has introduced a new visa category in which all the BNO people, or they have registered as a BNO, they could apply to the British Embassy for a settlement visa.
Right, okay. And do we know the rules at the moment for this? Has it been announced?
Honestly, this category is very, very easy. Although somebody has to draw a very good application with comply with all the legal requirements, okay?
Yeah.
So anybody who any person who want to apply, but keep in mind this category will be open from 1st of January 2021. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Because this is so far we only have a proposal from the UK government. It has not been passed to the Parliament.
Okay.
So from now until December this year, the UK government will get it passed to the Parliament. It means it will become the law in the UK.
Right. Lovely.
Right. And from January 2021, they will start offering people of Hong Kong or BNO to apply to this category to come to UK to settle.
I see. Okay, brilliant. And Masood, is there something that you can help like Hong Kong people with the BNO status already, in terms of help them apply for?
Yes, that's what we're doing with other people, with other categories. Okay, we're not only assisting people with the UK. As Lesley mentioned that we have Lesley's brother's wife from Dominican Republic, you see, and I'm making application all across the world anyway in different categories. So what we are thinking with the cooperation of Lesley, so we could help people in Hong Kong to apply, to make the application for themselves, okay, and then apply on their behalf through our firm. I have a firm in the UK called Bridgeway Solutions. I'm the owner of this firm. So we will present people of BNO through our firm, you see, to the British Embassy, and make a very legally sound application, and we'll do everything from start to finish with the problems in high success rate, you see.
Okay, that's really interesting. And Masood, what I think will be really good, and I think it would help also my viewers as well, and hopefully the people who are in Hong Kong, is I think it'd be nice to stay in contact with you and just keep on like have an interview when we get updates. So you know, because so I think it's always best that they understand it from a legal perspective as well. Yeah. Then you know, then just you know, gossip or you know, random facts. It's always good to hear you know, get your intake on things. So what I intend to do is include you when we get an update, if that's okay, so that also the viewers can get to know you a bit better too. Yeah, and maybe because you're not too far from me, but when it's okay, maybe I'll come to your office and do some filming together. Yeah.
Okay. Just adding to my advice, I'm aware that maybe our listener would be more younger people, right? Okay, so
but,
those
or maybe not. It has to be those who applied before 1997, right?
Yeah. So maybe there would be a bit elderly people or a bit mature people. But apart from this category, if younger people want to come to UK, they can use a different category, right? I can shed some light on the one category in my mind now. Is a youth mobility category, right?
So this means that if they don't have the BNO status,
anybody who is between 18 to 30 years of age, they could use this category to come to UK and work here, you see.
So that's really interesting. So basically, let me know if I've got this wrong, okay? But this is what you're saying. You're saying if they don't have the BNO status, because you have to have, you know, be before 1997 for the handover, then there's a different category that other people can apply for to come here legally as well, which is the youth nobility category. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? That sounds quite interesting.
This can be for younger people who could come and come to UK and gain experience, you see, in their chosen field of life, you see. So, but the age bracket is from 18 to 30 years.
Okay, and is that for, are they allowed to come here to work?
They could work and they could live there up to certain limit, you see. So this is another opportunity for younger people between 18 and 30 to come and experience a UK way of life, you see, through the visa. So that will allow them to be for more than 6 months anyway. And then third category, generally for everybody, irrespective of the age, okay? That is called, we already talked, Lesley, on Tier 2, okay?
Yeah.
So for Tier 2, we are more hopeful that from January 2021, the Home Office will be more compassionate and lenient on the Tier 2 in the work permit. Anybody who have a skillful job and skillful job offer from the UK employer, they could come and work here. And this is settlement category as well. Once they work for 5 years in the UK as a work permit, or they could apply for a permanent stay in the UK as well. So, but the good thing is that from Jan 2021, the Home Office is going to reduce the level of work, okay, from level 6 to level 3, meaning that the bottom level jobs work would also be available in the UK.
So what do you mean by bottom level jobs?
Mean that at the moment only level 6 are acceptable, being that high levels like executive job, manager job, GJC. But from level 3, level 4 mean that if anybody's a skillful job like a painter or anybody who has an experience and skill behind their profession, you see, they could come as well, provided they have a UK employer who could sponsor their application as a work permit holder. This is called Tier 2 general category.
So that's quite exciting news as well, isn't it? Because it's been very hard.
We are not only focusing towards the new visitors visa, new settlement categories. We are focusing wherever anybody can adjust themselves. Okay, so new Hong Kong resettlement visa, youth mobility visa, and Tier 2 general visa, right?
Lovely, I think that's great.
These are the three different avenues where somebody can be adjusted, okay?
Lovely. Masood, and also, so if the guys, if somebody, sorry, not the guys, but if people wanted to get hold of you for a consultation, what is the process? So what do they need to do?
Right, if one want a consultation, right, we can do via WhatsApp or online, you see. So basically, we have not decided the fee yet, but I would say that the starting point would be £100 plus, you see, to to provide the full consultation, and there will be no cap on the time. You see, they can take as long as they need it.
Oh, that's good.
To know the answer of the question, you see.
So guys, just to give you a testimonial, because we have been through your consultation process recently. Yeah, it was very good and very creative, and you know, you gave us, yeah, that was very important. So you know, you've got these, Masood will give you the different routes that you can consider, and then you will recommend, you know, based on the difficulty in your experience.
That's the right idea. You hit the nail on the head, you see. That those people who want to assess themselves first, rather than make the application blindly, they should call us and we will assess the eligibility first.
Okay.
Either they could qualify or not in any particular category.
Yeah. Okay. So is the best thing to email you or to call into your office to make an appointment?
They can email me for the appointment, okay?
Okay.
And then we can settle down the time and the mode of communication, okay? And then we can hold a conference call to advise. But unfortunately, I do not know how to speak language in Hong Kong, so somebody should be able to understand my way of English. You see, I have a very thick accent, not like Lesley.
Oh no, I'm fine. Yeah. So guys, what we were thinking of is that we do have a Cantonese speaker in our team, Martin Wong, who heads up our legal consultancy. So if you need, or if you don't have anybody around you that can, you know, communicate effectively in English, give us a shout and we'll see what we can do to help out with the communication, or you know, looking, what should I call it, the client care aspect, to make sure that everything's understood. Yeah. And
we are also thinking if this category go ahead, the Hong Kong settlement visa, because the Hong Kong still need to get the approval from the Parliament here in the UK to get the legal assent, you see. If that thing goes right, then we're thinking to advertise our services in Hong Kong, okay, on social media and on main newspaper. And if we generate a handsome number of queries, we may think about to go down there and have a surgery there in the local hotels, so we can meet the people one-to-one, okay, and we can address their queries. So it depends on how the time will react, okay, and how the market will react on our services. So we'll check and see that.
Okay. So Masood might be coming to Hong Kong then, possibly.
Yes. If we have number of queries there, I can see there's work to go down there to meet people. See, that's very much on the card, you see.
Okay.
So we have a very serious plan to target this Hong Kong market, you see, especially in this difficult time when people want to migrate to a safe country rather. Living there in a secure way, you see. So, but let's see how thing turns out by end of this year.
Yes.
So then we'll be able to grow our business plan as well for Hong Kong.
Brilliant, Masood. So what I'm going to do, guys, is that if you guys want to get in touch with Masood, I'm going to drop Masood's contact details in the description below. Do let me know in the commentary section, okay, whether you have any additional questions in general you would like, you know, Masood to comment on, because I can always get Masood back on another call or interview. And if you're liking this video and you want to see more content like this, please make sure you smash the like button, because it really helps with the algorithm for the YouTube. So I appreciate that a lot, because that will spread the word and get the video in front of whoever needs access to this kind of information. Okay, brilliant.
All right, any question from my side, Lesley, or your listener?
No, that's it, Masood. Thank you so much.